Jimenez. Jimenez na crossover. Oh! Yun lang! Hindi mo bra pero may foul! Oh! Alley-oop pass! And the pass! Good pass and the... Aban drives, floater of the window, bucket for 2. And here's one bounce, Pigs, Clutch Lopez, bucket here's good. Drive, Samayo, pass inside ang gandang dish and the finish, basket and 1. Off the mark, rebound, put back the foul, basket and 1. It's back, and Jimenez drives, the floater, bucket for 2, Jimenez. Shout out kay Captain Nides Headwear para sa mga gustong mag-order. Sulit at legit. Captain Nides Headwear, nasa comment section lang yung link mga idol. Salazar, the crossover and a drive, pinabitin, Supalpal. And number 20, Salazar pass. And pull up J, Pasqua. And here's, holds the ball. Corner to the middle. Alley-oop pass and the pass, good pass and Tamayo to Salazar, the corner. To the middle, holds the ball. Ramos, the floater of the window, and nice work. Kakad. It's pass back. Kakad. It's Javier for 3. Won't go. That's number 8. Rebound. And Salazar. To Tamayo. Tamayo. 5-cent shoot. Tamayo. Corner. Pinabitin to the corner. Fires at 3. Short. And rebound here. Peña Blanca to the corner. Javier. Attack. So, Filipino step. Wala. Supalpal Dumabra. And a pass break. Binitbit left-handed. Takad. To the corner. Javier. Takad. Kicks out. Crossover. Drives. Oops. Supalpal. And a pass break. And binitbit. Easy bucket. To the middle. Takad. Takad. To the corner. Fires at 3. Bang! At the middle. And sumisinyas dito si Jimenez. Jimenez drives. Pass to the middle. Nice dish and hook shot. Oh, good. And crossing the mid lane. Takad. And drives. Alam kicks out. Launch at 3. Bang! Javier. Jimenez. Pass to Aban. Aban. Pass to Dulin. Drives from the coach to coach. No good. Nagkatapikan. Dulin still. The rebound. Kicks out Jimenez. Dulin wide open. Let's drives. Pass inside. Ah, what a dish. And the finish. Takad. Pass to the middle. One bounce. Side step. Reverse layup. Huli ka. Trada crossover. Takad. Jimenez. Cross pass. Aban. Drives. Floater of the window. Bucket for 21. 39-point lead. And here's one bounce. Pigs. Clutch Lopez. Bucket here's good. Down to 7. Jimenez. Tamayo. Drives. Tamayo. Pass inside ang gandang dish. And the finish. Basket and 1. Single pass. So, bounce pass. Takashoot. Uy, si bucket. Dribbling the ball between the legs. Crossover. Attack. Stop. Pigs. To the middle again. Bumangga. Tumira. Kisagan. Kisagan. Bounce pass. Stolen. Tamayo. Long pass by Dulin. Dulin side. This time. What? Jimenez to the corner. Pass back. And Jimenez drives. The floater. Bucket for 2. The backdoor inbound. The bounce pass. Oops. Pinasa. Floater shot. Short. Rebound. Put back. Foul and a basket. And 1. Pass. Del Guzman. Oh, nakalusot. Oh, De Guzman in a bucket for 2. And here's Kisagan. Pass back. Sagan to the middle. Pass inside of the window. Won't go. Rebound. Put back. And a bucket. Tamayo for crossing the mid lane. Pinilit. Kisagan to the corner. Narag. And a drive. Bounce pass. X corner 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Put back. The foul. Basket and 1. Dulin stops. Pass to the middle. Gutierrez. Won't go. And here's Kisagan. Crossover. Hoop. Kicks out. Wild over 3. Off target. Dulin drives. Dulin pull up J. Won't go. And Dulin yung rebound take. Strong move by Dulin. Won't go. And a pass break. Into the middle. Pass back. Lays off the window. Bucket for 2. And a ball possession. Peña Blanca kicks out. The bounce pass. No look pass. The wrist layup. And a good. Jimenez stops. Bounce pass. Aban to Subagan. Sumigway. The bounce pass inside. And stolen. Kisagan. One hand pass. Drives. Bounce pass inside. Almost lost. Recover. Number 25. Alam of the window. Bucket for 2. Jimenez holds the ball. Jimenez the crossover. And a drive. Nakalusot. Rebound. Reverse layup. Stop. Wala pa rin. And a chance to lead the game. And one angle pass. Floater. And for the lead. Stolen by Dulin stop, pull up J, free throw line, bucket for 2 and again change. And crosses the mid lane. Here's Narag. Narag pass to the middle. And attacks, kicks out. And drives also and kicks out again. Narag, pull up J, free throw, bucket for 2, change paper. Dulin, crossing the mid lane. Dulin drives, nakalusot, lays, bucket for 2 and a change. And here's Dulin. Pass to the middle. Tamayo. To Aban. Aban drives. Almost lost. Naagawan dito. Narag. Bounce pass. Natapikan. Naagaw. Pass break. Oops. Oy, Bulbi. For the inbound. Oops. Natapikan. Naagawan. Lays up. Bucket for 2. Kisa. And Tamayo. Pass it to Dulin to Tamayo. Tamayo at 3. No good. And rebound. Kisagan. Uy, almost lost. Oops. Nagawan. Tamayo. And one next pass. Aban sumali. Dalis. Basket and 1. Aban. Ball pass. Nauna na. Oop. Too strong. And the rebound. Uy, hindi tumalon. Aban, strong move, power move. Aban, off the mark. Cross, spin move. And here's Kisagan, all the way, pinasa. And ball possession for team. Oops, nakalusot. Pasok yan for team. Jimenez, crossover. Jimenez, kicks out. And pinaikot Tamayo, long 3. Bang! Bullseye. Between the legs. Here's pass back. Stops. Floater shot. Won't go. Rebound. Aban. Tamayo. Pass to Aban. Aban spins. Oh, nakalusot. Up and under. Tips in. Wala. And the long pass. Oops. Big pass. Supalpal! Grabe. And pinasa. Oops. Binawian. Kisagan. Kicks out. Post floater. Short. Tamayo wide open again. Bang! Tama. And the long pass inside. Dulin. Fires off the window. Strong move by Dulin. Kisagan. Pagpulkalan, hook shot, bucket for 2, pagulayan. Jimenez. Jimenez na crossover. Oh, yun lang, hindi mo bra, pero may foul. Oh! Sagan. Pass to Alam. Up na kuha dito ni Jimenez. Jimenez drives all the way, lays. Oh, nagka-rebounan yung dalawang magkasama. And kay Sagan, pinasa, the fakes. Oh, bumalik! Off the glass, won't go. Quarter shot and a bucket. To the middle, Aban. Dulin. Step back. Fire sa 3. Bang! Nothing but the net. Kisagan. Pass back. Seconds to ship play. Fire sa 3. No good. Rebound ni Jimenez. Tama yun. Holds. Pull up J. Salazar. No good. And a long pass. Naagawan ni Jimenez. And holds. Pass on the inside. Ang gandang pasa. And the finish. Again. Pass to White Narag for 3. Too strong. Dulin. Pass to Jimenez. Jimenez again. Jimenez behind the back. Pass to Aban. Wild open for 3. Bang! 3 points. Kisagan. Pass to Narag. Kisagan. Wild open for 3. Off target to rebound. Put bang! May tulak na kagad. And Jimenez behind the back dribble. Jimenez. Sumalida. Umatake. Stop spins. Number 10. Drive side step. Floater. Oh, too strong. Rebound. Nabaliktad silang lahat. And the pass breaker. Kisagan. And pagulayan. Floater of the window. Bucket for 2. And here's Kisagan. Pass inside. Oops, sinatid. Takes. Dumangga. Tumira. Won't go. Natapikan. Rebound pa rin. Spins. Takes. Session. Igig. 27. So guys, umatake. Please. Bucket for 2. And here you go. Number 7. Kisagan. Drives. Lays. Oh, face to face lays. And here's Kisagan. Bounce pass. Narag. For the inbound. Pass it to number 16. Oh, pagulay nakalusot off the glass. Pagulayan. Pass to Aban. Aban to Dulin. Bounce pass to the middle. Picks, drives, spins, kicks out. Aban. Aban. Umatake. Oops. 67-73. 6-point lead. Ball possession. Peña Blanca. Narag. Narag. Cross pass. Fires at 3. Bang! 3. Here's Dulin. 1 minute, 35 seconds. Shot clock. Goal! Dulin! All the way, my foul! Kisagan, pass on the inside. Pagulayan, 1-on-1. Posing up. Stop, spins, bounce pass inside, kicks out. Almost losses. Recover, kicks to the middle. Wild over 3. Off target. And still Kisagan drives all the way to the hoops. Lays! Grabe! Oy! Oh! And Dulin. 1 minute left. 58 seconds to play. 55 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Dulin. Crossover. And a drives. Dulin. Hook shot. Oops. And it's Kisagan. Kisagan. And to Narag. Narag stop. Launch on 3. Off the mark. Rebound Dulin. Hindi pumasok yun. Crossover and a drives. Kicks out. Wild open for 3. Too strong. Point lead. Timmy Gig. And here's Kisagan. The crossover. Iniwan. Oh, book shot. Oh, bucket for 2. Down to 2. Bounce pass, may foul. First throw, Tamayo. First throw on Tamayo. Bucket, 3-point lead. 74-77. 18 seconds left. Last throw. Still bucket. Kisagan. Hits for 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Soriano. Oops. Una recover sa 3. Off target rebound. Puto. Oh, basket and 1. 1-point lead. Ay, 2-point lead. Oops. Nagtagawan. Rebound. Manuel first on the free throw. Off the mark. Wild throw. Wala. Oop. Oh. Oh! That's the end of the game. And congratulations, team. Igig, Astig Igig.